Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all of us. Praise be to God for the blessing that have been given to us so that we can gather in the circumstance today. Miss Fitri Amalia Sintaswi, whom I respect and don't forget friends. I am Lutfinila Fauzia from the Social Science Education Study Program. I'm here. I will explain the material that I took, namely globalization. The first, what is globalization? Globalization is the widespread influences of science and culture in every corner of the world, so that the boundaries of a country are no longer clear. Selo Sumarjan said that globalization is the formation of a communication and organization between different people around the world with the same goal. Next, what are the characteristics of globalization? According to Cohen and Kennedy, a characteristic of globalization is the increase in shared problems such as the spread of viral disease carried by migration people. Then, foreign debt and international crime pattern. Increased cultural interaction between one country and another through mass media and the internet. Next, what are the effects of globalization? The positive effect of globalization on the life of a nation is seen from the application after taking many useful things both in terms of culture, economy, and so on that were learned. This positive effect triggered the emergence of creative and innovative attitudes among the wider community. In other words, the system is able to create conditions for everyone to compete globally. Next, the negative effect of globalization can be seen from the ease with which something enters country, such as imported goods at low price, which actually kill locally produced goods. In education, the new culture that enter a country can slowly erode, shift, and eliminate the original culture of the country. Next, what are some examples of globalization? Example of globalization in the economic field. 1. Purchase item using a credit card or bank account. 2. Doing buying and selling online through e-commerce. 3. Pay for good purchase with digital wallet application. 4. Export and import activities from one country to another become easier. 5. The existence of cooperation in the economic field by the countries of the world. Next example of globalization in the social and cultural sector. 1. Forex culture are easier to enter and be accepted in the country. 2. The use of English and international language is important. 3. Shifting people lifestyles to become more advanced and modern. 4. People prefer to work in the industrial sector rather than agrarian. 5. International fashion and fashion trends are becoming more popular. Next example of globalization in education. 1. Student exchange. Globalization makes it easier for students to do student exchange. This can increase knowledge and also strengthen relations between countries. 2. Easy of accessing knowledge on the internet. Not only student exchange, globalization also make it easier for humans to access or obtain scientific information from the internet. Next, example of globalization in the field of technology and information. 1. Access information content in various parts of the world. The era of globalization make it easier for humans to access information from anywhere in the world. For example, football broadcasts abroad can be watched in Indonesia. 2. There are inventions in the field of technology. Inventions in the field of technology are also a form of globalization. For example, the discovery of cars, gadgets, computers, and much more. Next, example of globalization in politics. 1. The emergence of international organization. Another example of globalization is the emergence of international organizations whose members come from various countries in the world. For example, ASEAN, whose members come from countries in Southeast Asia. The United Nations, whose members come from various countries in the world, and others. 2. International cooperation. In addition to international organizations, globalization in the political field has also given birth to international cooperation. This cooperation can be done bilateral or multilateral. Next, what are the signs of globalization? Signs of globalization. 1. Boundaries between countries are getting thinner. In this world, there are more than 200 countries. Each country has a specific territory and state boundaries. Due to the influence of globalization, the boundaries between countries are no longer important. Everyone in this day and age can get information beyond their national border. The development of technology and communication is the cause of the former border of the country. Now, people can easily contact their relatives or friends who are in other countries by using the telephone. 2. Information is easy to spread. The process of globalization is the dissemination of information becomes easier and faster. Even from now on can be accessed everywhere and by everyone. Globalization makes it easier for every country and every person to show themselves around the world. The achievement of a person can be easily disseminated in all corners of the world. The media used include the internet and television. 3. Trading activities are getting wider. The hallmark of globalization is the increasingly massive trade between countries. Trade activities continue to grow due to the influence of globalization in the economic field. Economic activities and trade in the world are becoming increasingly open across national boundaries. Not only that, current economic activity also involves the issue of labor migration. In the global era, work can choose to work in any country according to their wishes and abilities. That's all I can explain. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.